We are presenting the first edition of Igbo Nile, Miss Igbo Land pageant, which will be held annually in one of the capital cities of Igbo Land. A beauty pageant that aims to produce an Igbo queen who possesses all the qualities that an ambassador of Igbo Land should have. She should be unique, articulate, diplomatic, respectful, intelligent, well-rounded, and photogenic. Igbo Nile pageant is aimed at producing a queen who is well domesticated to run an Igbo home effectively. Therefore, she would be able to cook and present our Igbo dishes beautifully. We are already grooming and preparing our girls for this competition.
Anywhere you went, I will take you. I walk, I never see beautiful people. If you see me, call me Echebe na nambara nke mekofo osi anyị jidofo okwobolanye anyị jijewe n'Unewi nke nọsi group of companies industrialist iweje mọnụ echebe kofia ateze n'ugbo osi anyị jisike okwobolanye anyị jijewe n'Enugu ebe amụrụ flavor onye egwu ndị Igbo ji mọnụ. I walk, I never see beautiful people. If you see me, call me Onibo. Anywhere I enter, they call me Onibo. All over the world, they call me Onibo.
Stars that were beautiful. Whoa,
when Manchester United failed to be tested in the first leg, PSG scored them 2-0. This means if Manchester United end up losing the game, they'll be disqualified from the Champions League.
We have a range of fantastic prizes for the winners. Are you an Igbo girl aged between 18 and 30? Please call the numbers on the screen to join this competition. You can also send us an email. We are also on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. You can also visit our website today. Do not miss this fantastic opportunity to enhance your knowledge of Igbo culture. Ndewono.